welcome back to my channel. It is your girl NJ Loves, and I'm here today to be doing a flip through of my pocket Postman Mulberry Agenda, and this is my fave. It's absolutely adorable, and I have finally got this set up. It didn't actually take that long, but I've got some amazing planner goodies that I want to show you in my planner. So I'm going to be doing a flip through. If I can't remember where something is from, or I skip out on something, do please feel free to write a comment below and ask any questions that you may have. And if I remember when I'm editing, I'll add the info into the description box. But if planners, stationery, stickers and all of that fun stuff isn't for you, then please check out other videos on my channel. But without further ado, guys, oh my gosh, let's get this kicked off, and I'm going to show you what I have in my gorgeous agenda. So if you had watched, or if you're planning on watching my video, a collective haul that I've recently done, I managed to get some items through using Stackry as a shipping company. So I was able to get, as part of my haul there, some amazing clips from Lucy Plans Life. So these are actually everywhere on Instagram, and I was really excited to get these, but you can't actually buy them directly and have them shipped into the UK, so that's not an option. So yeah, I absolutely love this. This is like in the nude pink. I then also have this dangle clip, which is just so stunning. It's like, look at the little detail there. It's really pretty. In the pocket over here, not much. So I still have the sample freebies from Cloth and Paper, and I just really love how this kind of colour tone matches the aesthetic. These are super cute. I don't know if I'll actually use them, like that's how it is. And then I have a task card that I've made myself, which is also there. So they fit perfectly in this pocket right here. Okay guys, so I've also put this piece of acetate at the front just to protect this amazing dashboard from Salty 22. So if you can see there, unfortunately the camera doesn't pick it up as good as you can see it in person, but I got the etched Louis Vuitton inspired dashboard. Look at this, oh my gosh, it's adorable, it's so stunning. So I picked up this. I then also have from My Minimal Planner the Take Care dashboard printed on vellum, which is layered on top of the EO Edits 2021 dashboard. So super cute. At the back I have a Sesame post-it. Then I have this freebie dashboard which has been printed on acetate. Look at this, and I think it's perfect for the self-care section, which is an EO Edits dashboard. So if you watch any of my other videos, you will have seen my purchase from Page UK shop. Love this, and this is what my Lucy Plans Life clip is clipping together, because it's actually a vellum and a cardstock, which is there. Like, look at this. Okay, I then have Squizzleberry, which is another UK shop that I also really like. So that is some vellum, another Page dashboard. Okay, it's on a textured paper. I then have this, which is a journaling card from Caffeine and Paper, and I've just put some washi over it to hold it in place. Then from Tulle and Twine, I then printed this freebie on some vellum. As you can see here, guys, I then have from Salty 22 her dividers, which are so perfect. I have the side custom dividers and also the top there. And then these dividers, just to skip forward, but these are from Royal Planner, and I love these as well, so fantastic. Now the inbox section obviously holds my inbox, and these are from Paper Test Designs. Love these. Then also from My Minimal Planner, love this shop. This is another printable, and this I printed on some acetate, so look at that. Now I did a kind of spoiler on Instagram, so you will have seen this if you follow me there. So again, the inbox dashboard from Sorty22. This fantastic freebie was from Raw Planner, and she has mentioned that this is actually going to be released in her shop in April, so do check her out, guys. Like, how stunning is this? And it's actually 2 in 1. How clever. Beautiful. Okay, so next into the number 2 section, which is my agenda. I'm using from Mulberry one of their inserts. This is the Sorty22 paperclip. This is a 2021 year to view calendar, so it's literally foldable, it just folds out. And here I'm tracking any annual leave and the time of the month. Okay. So then I have this dashboard, also from Tulle and Twine. You cannot grow without making a change. Love that. My monthly section. Now here I'm waiting on some inserts to come in. I'm going to be putting my cloth and paper month at a glance or monthly overview inserts here. But currently I have from Sorty22 the overview, so these are like also where I'm listing any leave or things like that. So I have this. I then have this, guys, look at this, Catspresso. So this is the jelly dashboard, and it fits the noted cards perfectly. Like, I absolutely love that, so pretty. So I have the plain ones of those coming as well. Then as well, the Hustle card, freebie card from Noted, lovely textured paper, love the colour, oh, just so pretty. So pretty. Sorty22 features so much in my planner, like so much. So this is from the Etsy store, it's a printable, and I have printed it on some textured paper and just literally taken the cover sheets. It's from Infinite Lotus, and it's just like a monthly cover sheet. So I have from Mindy Plans another freebie. There are so many amazing freebies currently that it's very easy to fill your planner with just deco. This here is from Paige, and again, this is one of my favorite dashboards from her shop, UK shop as well. Another freebie from Mindy Plans, layered on top of a Hey Planner Girl dashboard. So super cute. Then I go into my weekly section, and I'm using the Noted Weekly Undated. And then I have this from Dove Note Co, and I absolutely love this. I believe this is also a freebie, and it comes with different color options, and I printed this on some acetate. Absolutely love this. I am a phenomenal woman. That's me. Love it. Okay, then I have the daily section, and I obviously have my undated dailies. I then have this also from Raw Planner. Love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Then I have just a bit of kind of plastic to cover the aesthetic dashboard from Infinite Lotus. EO Edits. Absolutely love this. And then I have the EO Edits printed kind of meal planner inserts as well. Look a little bit like this. Then over here I have also from my minimal planner, printed on some textured paper. Love this. These recent releases, they're absolutely perfect. Okay, and then I have the task section. I like to make lists. I'm using the Raw Planner, the top tab dividers, and I'm going to have like a brain dump section. This is another Tulle and Twine dashboard printable freebie. So I have my brain dump inserts. Then I have this from Noted, coffee in one hand, confidence in the other. Another very popular Noted dashboard, super adorable in pocket. And then I have my online orders in the tracking section. And I'll show you the back here. It looks like this. So freaking cute, love it. Again from Salty22, this is another printable from the Etsy shop. And if you can see the detail, can you see the little Louis Vuitton logo in the flowers? So pretty. I'm going to print this also on acetate as well. Then I have the mood tracker. I think this is Ada on Instagram and I absolutely love this. Then I have a list section, another tulle and twine, and I've just put my list there. And then this is also like one of my favorite parts of this planner, and this is the note to self: make time for yourself, you deserve it. And this is from my minimal planner. Absolutely love that. And I printed this also on some acetate. It just looks so pretty. So then this is just literally going to be some blank note paper. I have from Ash Plans, another freebie guys, printed on some acetate, and this just covers my sensitive kind of personal information. And then here on Luna Loon's Plans, and I absolutely love this as well, printed on some acetate just for some like deco at the back. And this is just a page lifter I found from an Etsy shop. Currently blank, but just to show you what the back looks like, it's like this. And then this one, which is contact info, and it does have my information on the back, so I won't show you that. I don't put anything currently in the back here, and the pen loop does kind of get in the way a little bit, but I push it down and make sure that all of the inserts sit on top of it. So guys, that is it. This is my planner. This is how it's set up. It is definitely chunky. How much more can this hold compared to the Louis Vuitton? Like, oh my gosh, I wouldn't be able to get half of this in there. So I really love it. I hope you've enjoyed this flip through, and yeah, if you haven't checked out my haul video, check it out. You'll be able to see some more planner goodies there, and also ways for you to be able to shop USA shops to the UK. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one soon.